you are currently running Google Ads and spend 40% or more of your monthly budget on one keyword, you are burning budget most likely. I'm Todd Nevins. I'm the founder of CLICKPlacement. We are a Google partner, and this example is in the cosmetic surgery industry, but it is really applicable across all different types of service-based lead generation industries, and really applicable if you're running your ads and serving a really specific geographic area. We had a cosmetic surgeon come to us and said, we have not been able to drive conversions at a cost less than $350, and it is not sustainable for our surgery practice. You have 90 days, Mr. Google Ads Video Maker Guy, to get our cost per conversion under $100, or we're gonna fire you and we're gonna fire Google Ads completely. Get started. That's exactly what we did. We started with our 100-step audit and found the problem. Over the last 6 months, this cosmetic surgery clinic had spent $29,000 on the keyword cosmetic surgery. And you think, wait a minute, they're a cosmetic surgery clinic and they spent money on cosmetic surgery. Makes sense to me. No, it's a 2-word keyword. It's too broad. In this scenario, cosmetic surgery, we already know that it doesn't work because the client came to us and said, we can't break below $350 cost per conversion. And the reason is they're bidding on cosmetic surgery. And in the last 6 months, what is cosmetic surgery? They had spent $1,800 on. Cosmetic surgery definition, $1,400, and cheap cosmetic surgery, $800. Those are just 3 examples. We got back on the phone with this particular surgeon and broke the news that they had spent $29,000 and most of that was in the wrong direction. The client took it well and said, okay, what's your plan? And we said, we are going to change your 1 campaign strategy into a 3 campaign strategy, and we got started on the build. To help in our 3 campaign strategy, we asked the surgeon what are their 2 highest value surgeries, and they said that they are facelift and body-related searches, mommy makeover, and tummy tuck. So we got started on our 3 campaign strategy. The top campaign is plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery. So these are a little bit more general, but you'll notice that all of the keywords are 3 or more words in each keyword. Then our categorical campaigns, facelift, and then body, mommy, tummy tuck related searches, tummy tuck doctors, best facelift, plastic surgeon. This is the most important aspect of how we craft a campaign that we are confident in that's going to start right out of the gates well. We've got this all together. We're ready to get back to the client, and before our call with them, we were told a little bit of bad news. The client informed us that we no longer had 3 months to get their cost per conversion from $350 down to $100. We had 60 days. So we launched. The reason we split it apart was that we could redirect budget quickly. We could also efficiently look and see which block of the campaigns was actually performing the best. The most important part of this whole thing is that they were giving us feedback back, what these leads were telling them. Were they ready to go? Were they lower down in the funnel? Were they ready to come in for a consultation? And providing us that feedback immediately, it helped that 2-month period of time, and we made quick, educated decisions based on data. And now it is day 62. We optimized, we worked with the client for the last 2 months. We did everything we could based on data to get their cost per conversion below $100. And at day 62, their cost per conversion is $97. And there's even a better part to this is that their lead to in-person consultation, that ratio has doubled over the last 60 days. Win-win. If you are running Google Ads and you have over 40% of your monthly budget being spent on one keyword, log into your account right now and make changes based on this example. Thank you for watching this video. Leave me a like and a comment. If you are a cosmetic surgeon or you are a marketing person running ads for a cosmetic surgery clinic, we have just built and released a lead generation tool specifically for cosmetic surgeons that is changing the way people are engaging and converting on any cosmetic surgery website. We have created a personal assessment tool that can be added to any cosmetic surgeon's website. It is called Beauty Snap 360 and allows all of your visitors to complete a personal assessment of themselves, about what they're unhappy with and their areas of concern. And people are 8 times more likely to complete this personal assessment tool than they are to send in a contact us form. It is the new way to capture leads for cosmetic surgeons, and there is a 14-day free trial on it. Just go to beautysnap360.com. I will leave a link below, and thank you for watching.